This is how I make my local soup, Jojo.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Linda and I'm preparing Ghanaian soup and TZ, and I have a quick way, but it will cook well. This is the fish and very organic and sweet. So I've already fed some into the hot water. Mix it, or you can even use the blender, but I don't want to use blender for now. I will use the blender, but it will be later on. I want to mash it so that it will be cooking while I'll prepare the other vegetables I'll add to it. So simple and delicious. How do you normally prepare your groundnuts? Let me know, because in Ghana we have so many ways of preparing soup. This is the groundnut, guys. Can you see? So here you have to stir it. Our dawa to read, so I want to make it jojo. Jojo is groundnut soup and leaf. You mix the leaf to the groundnut soup, so it will be like thick soup. But any green leaves that you have, you can add it. But because I don't have that leaves here, I've not seen some. done with cooking. I'm so tired. It's not easy. After cooking, clean for tomorrow. Then that's it.